If you manage generational wealth, you already know that stability isn't found in the headlines. But what if I told you a 64-year-old family office principal in Scottsdale, Arizona just shifted $1.12 million from his S&P IRA into a gold IRA, and it may have been the smartest move he's ever made? Before we dive into that story, consider this. CNBC recently reported that over $30 trillion in global wealth is at risk due to inflation, currency debasement, and geopolitical instability. The IMF is warning of a new era of fiscal fragility. And as of this month, over 500 US regional banks are listed as at risk, including some major names that handle high net worth accounts. So if you're part of a family office managing assets for generations to come, here's the question. What anchors your portfolio when the tide of the economy turns? That's exactly what drove Richard, our 64-year-old family office principal, to act. His family's net worth had been carefully diversified: commercial real estate, public equities, fixed income, and a decent amount in tech VC. But as inflation surged and interest rate policy grew more volatile, under the current administration, Richard saw cracks in the fortress, and unlike most retail investors, he didn't wait to react. In early February, he initiated a strategic rollover of $1.12 million from his S&P IRA into a gold IRA. Why? Because precious metals have outperformed the S&P 500 during periods of high inflation and negative real interest rates. Richard wasn't chasing returns, he was building resilience. And here's the kicker. His gold IRA decision started with a free informational kit, just like the one linked below. See, Richard wasn't sold on flashy ads or free silver gimmicks. He wanted facts, transparency, and a fiduciary mindset. And what he got was exactly that. A quick, no-pressure call with a gold IRA specialist. Someone who understood high net worth estate planning. Someone who didn't push, but educated. That's how wealth preservation works at scale. Now, I know what you might be thinking. My advisor already has me diversified. My equities will bounce back. Or, precious metals are old school. But here's the truth. Smart capital doesn't chase trends. It prepares for extremes. And in this financial climate, where over $100 billion has quietly flowed into physical gold, ETFs, and bullion accounts since 2023, maybe old school is just another word for battle-tested. Let's break it down. A gold IRA gives you true diversification outside the fiat system, tax-deferred growth with the security of a tangible asset, and most importantly, peace of mind when everything else feels uncertain. This isn't about fear, it's about foresight. And just like Richard, your story could start with one step: requesting the free gold IRA guide. It's completely educational, no obligation, and designed specifically for American retirees or family offices with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k. There are no high-pressure sales tactics, no gimmicks, just a short one-on-one call where you'll finally get clear on whether this strategy fits your long-term plan. Because if you've worked hard to build wealth, isn't it time to make sure it lasts? Click the link, download the free guide, and take that first step toward anchoring your legacy, just like Richard did. Your family's future may depend on it.